Got a little short experiment to film here today. I'm in my kitchen. I have the Gretsch tailpiece from the guitar I'm restoring. And it actually has a nice patina here, but on the back side, you can see that there's a lot of, green tarnish. And so I'm not necessarily looking to make this, completely shiny as if it were a new guitar. I really just want to get the crust off. And even more importantly is I'm pretty lazy, so I don't want to go out and buy any brass polish or anything. And so what I'm going to do is use some vinegar and just soak this in here. I mean, this cleans pennies and other brass objects. And so assuming this is brass, it looks like it's brass, it's pretty heavy. I'm going to let this sit for about an hour, just soaking in vinegar. Then I'll take, some sort of, whether it's a brush of some kind, or maybe even just wipe it with paper towels, just to see if I can get some of the crust off without, doing too much damage to the metal or making it look, ridiculously new again. All right, it's been an hour. Let's take this over to the sink and scrub it down a little bit and see what happens. Oh. Honestly, it didn't do as much as I had hoped. You can see some more copperish, look here, a little bit less green. So I'm going to just go ahead and put that back in for another hour and let's see how long this takes. Well, this side is actually a little bit more shiny, a little brighter, and so we'll let it sit for a while and let the vinegar work its magic. I let it soak for another hour, scrubbed it and wiped it off. Not seeing a huge amount of improvement. The vinegar did something. In this case, given that this is going to be a player grade vintage guitar, in some ways I don't want to rub all the tarnish off and the patina that's accumulated over 70 years. And so if you have to clean some brass parts, you have to clean a Gretsch tailpiece, you might try vinegar, but depending on how tarnished it is, it might not be the results that you're looking for. So thanks for watching.